everyone. Welcome back to Living the Dream Garage 2.0 on YouTube. Well, we're still on the fender. We got a little bit to go. I got a couple little dimples here to push out, and I have to replace this corner piece. But and that'll be pretty much all for this fender. I believe the owner has located a fender for the passenger side. There happens to be a junkyard full of these old trucks up here, and but yeah, I'd like to welcome you back and thank everyone for the support, all the videos. Everybody subscribe, thank you. Thanks to everyone who liked, comment, subscribed, all the good stuff, even the bad stuff. We don't ask for bad stuff, but it just happens. But thank you, and again, I don't know if you watched last night's video, you seen a little something different on the screen. If this is going out to Jared Kiefer at Fast Flange, and everybody at Benchmark Abrasives. You're on the main screen the whole video. Just a little thank you. We'll have different things going on like that coming up. Thank you so much for all your support, and we're going to get busy. Sweet. Turn that up. Gas on? Take them over. Alright, basically everyone, what we're doing is, but you can see it, but we're, had to take this piece out originally, factory piece, and replace it. It was just way far gone compared to the rest of the fender. So after replacing some of the, or repairing some of this stuff up front at the headlight. And it had an original backbone brace here. That's what I call them, backbones. But it had to come out with it. So we built one. We're just going to cap it in like so. The snout down, and we're going to weld it back in the way it's supposed to be and give it that little extra structure at the end of the fender. And yeah, that's it. We're going to drill a hole here where it was supposed to be, you know, where it originally was. We got the location and all down. So yeah, I'm just kind of clearing up the weld, and yeah, basically just getting it ready. Got a little ding here to knock out, and actually the rest of the fender is really nice, and will be completed with this fender and marked off the list. But yeah, that's what we're doing, and we appreciate everyone staying and hanging out and watching the work today, what we've done. Had some family visit earlier, so we took some time with that, but yeah, this is where we're at. We had to put a piece in, cut it completely out, and redo it back to how it was. And yeah, that's it. I'd like to thank you, and yeah, hang out as long as you can. All right, everyone. We're gonna clock out for today. We had a lot going on other than the fender, but I'd like to thank everyone for watching the videos. I'd like to thank everyone that's watching this video. If you did, thank you. Subscribers, thank you. Jared Kiefert, thank you from Fast Flange. Benchmark Abrasives, thank everyone there. We appreciate all the help. And if you haven't, please subscribe, like, comment, and thanks to everyone watching all the videos. This thing just is, there's a lot to it, and a lot of little bitty things. This is a lot of nitpicky stuff going on, and just makes it tiresome. But show's got to go on. We got to keep trucking. I want to thank everyone. Everyone have a blessed night.